How to fix camera not focusing problem in iPhone 16e. So let's start the video. First of all, open camera and move the object away any day, and then press and hold on your screen to auto lock your focus. After auto lock your focus, it will work properly. If it doesn't work properly, then if you use portrait mode, then again click on photo. After that, go back to your home screen and restart your device. For restart your device, press and hold volume down button and power button at the same time, and then slide this icon to right side for restart your iPhone. After restart your iPhone, then open settings and click on general. In second, you can see the option software update. Now click on software update. Now here you can check your latest version will be updated or not. If it doesn't update to latest version, then update it to latest version. After updating a latest version, your problem will be fixed. By chance, if it doesn't fix your problem, then scroll down in last and click on transfer or reset iPhone. Now click on reset. On top you can see the option reset all settings. Now click on it, and here enter your screen passcode to reset your all settings. It will reset all the settings but never destroy and other data like photos, videos and other data. It will only reset all your settings. After reset all the settings, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.